thinking it's this one. If you got a better picture.
You think it's that one? It's pretty smooth. There's a dark spot in the corner. Got a little dark spot. On the side. Get this. You see this? Hold it up. Yeah.
That's him?
I think so, bro. Let's keep it up. Got a little smudge. Yeah, that's him. That's it, y'all. That's the one we were looking for. We found him. We're about to put this corner in right now. We're going by the pictures. So we're like putting it back together piece by piece, exactly the way we took it down. Not trying to miss a step. What y'all guys watching for, man? Is it 4th of July for y'all too, or y'all got a celebration? Celebration? I know not everybody celebrates Independence Day tomorrow. Whatever it is, let's keep the politics out of this. Let's enjoy it for what it is. I usually work. I'm gonna work tomorrow, but only like a half a day, and then I'm gonna go chill. We'll go live tomorrow night and show y'all the fireworks. I got front row seats. Now please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Check me out tomorrow. We'll be going live with the fireworks. Dog, it's on you to make the magic happen.
Yeah.
They can't get mad at you.
I ain't gonna get mad at me.
All they can tell you, like, man, yo, you don't know what you're talking about, man. Watch out. Like, see, that's the difference. I'm not talking with anger. I'm talking with love. I gotta follow through. And then you gotta hit it with the low blow. Y'all not want our kids to grow up and have a family. They're gonna be like, oh, you went low. You want little JoJo to not be cool with little Tay Tay? What the fuck? They're gonna be like, hey, oh man, come on, why you doing that?
That's true. All of us is like 20 kids.
Look at why the Mexicans stick together. Come on, man.
And all my brothers got their girls pregnant right now. Too.
Oh, see, that's. Oh, you gotta do it, bro.
What is that?